Hello friends, this is Alec IT Consult. My name is Ernest and today I'm here to teach you commenting in programming language, more especially Java. Stick with me, I'll be right back. Hi guys, welcome back. Before that, subscribe to the channel, click on the notification bell to receive all video notifications, share the video, like the video and leave your comment down below. Let's start. First, let's deal with why we use comment in programming. Comment can be used to explain codes and to make it more readable. It can also be used to prevent executions when testing the code or debugging the code. Under commenting, we have the single line comment and the multi-line comment. When we talk of single line comment, it means taking out a particular line of code in the code you have written. And then when we talk of multi-line comment, we are talking of taking out more lines of code in your written code. Alright, so let's see how to do that in Java. This was our first project we did, my first Java project. We will be basing on that to continue and then learn our commenting. So if you haven't watched that video, go back and then go and learn how to create a project in NetBeans. Alright, let's move in. Let's take for instance, this is our code and then in the future we want to know the kind of thing this is doing. We can write a comment for this line and then after that we will be able to notice that this is what we are doing at this particular moment. So I can use single line comment for this. In Java, this is how we write single line comment. You have to bring 2 slash here and then now you can type this is to print an IT console. This means when I run this code, this particular line here is not going to execute. So let's run and see. Good. So we are still having an IT console, but we have written something here. How we get it? So when we take this thing out and then we run this, even before we run it, you see a red line down here. So let me run it and let's see what happens. One or more projects were compiled with errors. That means this particular project is having an error here. How we get that? But when I add the comments, it deems it and then the compiler will notice that this is not part of the code. So it will jump all comment in the program. Alright, so this is single line commenting. Alright, let's take for instance, I have different things to print here. Let's take for instance, I have different things to print or to execute in my code, and then it gets to a time I want to make sure these lines are not executing, but only this one comes, or maybe these ones are not executing, but only these 2 works. So first, let's print this code and see what happens. Good. So we are having a neck 4 times here because we printed out 4 times in our code. How we get that? Good. So let's see how to comment them. The next one for us to use is the multi-line comment. That means we are going to comment out 2 or more lines of code. So we can come here, write our slash, and then bring the asterisk sign here. As soon as I do that, you see that all of these codes are dimmed. So I'll go to the end of where I want my comment to stay, and then I'll write the asterisk and bring the slash again. And then this one gives me the multi-line comment. So now we can see that we have this one not dimmed and then this one not dimmed. So when I print, we should get 2 ANEC IT console on our screen. Good. So we are having 2 ANEC IT consoles here. Now we have learned single line commenting and then the multi-line comment. Thanks for watching. But before, subscribe to the channel, click on the notification bell to receive all notifications, and then like the videos, share the videos to your friends, and then give your comments down below. See you in the next tutorial.